It is 11:37
on a Thursday night before work.
Before work.
Caught a misfire.
Buddy's engine stopped working.
Bro.
What's going on? We're about to scan your car. We're about to see how bad the damage is.
Bro, I'm finna cry. I'm finna be depressed.
I don't think it's blown up, but if it is, can I get your intakes?
No, bro, you already trying to part out my car?
What about your exhaust?
That one maybe. Actually, you know what? I would part it. I'm like, yo.
What's good, go on?
I could get a smooth 1K from you.
Let's scan his car. Cylinder 5 misfire. Yeah, you definitely got a misfire, buddy. And I had it come in my car all the way over here. About the same.
Hey, free cab.
Free cab.
Yo, I might have to call off, bro. Because I can't move my car because I caught a misfire. So I can't move my car, and the tow truck guy, he's lagging it. I don't know what's wrong with him. He keeps like giving me a different time.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
And I keep calling. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm calling AAA, and I'm like calling like multiple times, and they're like, oh, 30 minutes, and they're like, oh, 40 minutes, and then they just keep upping it and upping it and upping it.
C-A-P. Cap.
And I can't move my car. So I'm gonna try to figure out what to do, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to come to work today. All right then, for sure. All right.
Like this, said he has a cylinder misfire in cylinder 5, so we're gonna change his spark plugs and his coil pack tomorrow, and then it should just be fine. Remember how I told you guys that it was gonna be raining here? Well, point being is that it started raining, and now my windows are stuck open.
I want to hear I love you.
I ain't gonna
I want to hear I love you in Spanish.
That's not very professional, sir.
I love you. Go right there. That one go right there. You see that right there?
See what?
Right there.
Now that right there, that's an American V8. You hear that?
That's that goddamn muscle. That's that goddamn all-American.
That's that.
And guess who's driving? A goddamn Mexican.
EN, that mean do, enter, no. So what that mean is,
What about the S, gang?
the car gotta blow up. The S, it mean
Sport.
substitute oxidized. So what that mean is your car don't work, so sell it to me for $500.
Bro, I was slapped this.
For real, they're cake.
Damn.
Yeah, they're cake. So right here is bad. And you can see it's arcing. It got the little.
That's how you was driving?
Got the little.
Hell yeah.
jiggy.
This is terrible.
You're gonna wait. You're gonna talk to my oil.
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
He twisting it like he know how to please a woman. Do you?
No.
Virgin.
Amen to that.
Amen. Amen. You just like me. You just like me.
It's okay. I'm out here for everybody for y'all. I do it for my brothers.
You put it in that
I
one.
do it for my brothers.
Yeah.
Put it in OT.
They don't hurt for me.
Do it for
What? What? On camera, it's crazy. Alright, so we found out that it wasn't his spark plug, it's actually his coil pack. So right now we're on the way to this shop that I got my coil packs from for like 25 bucks. Because AutoZone sells them for like 90.
We're gonna go with the Mexicans,
So
immigrants.
we're on our way to this shop, and then once we get there, I'll start recording.
Be like, amigo, bro. You got me.
We've been in here for like
About 30 minutes.
about 30 minutes. Coil pack replaced, and he only bought one.
Hell yeah.
They're $26 compared to the other one. Look at Leo.
Yeah, that line was insane.
Come on, man, let's go. Alright, so we have an A, so we about to eat real quick. We got rallies.
Gotta say grace. Need to hurry up. Need him to hurry up.
Okay. After coming back from the store, putting the coal pack in. How much you pay, Mr. George? Guy no good. Damn, bro, that's all your oil you had in your car?
Nigga, I told you I didn't have no oil.
Damn.
Nigga said I was lying. Stupid. The oil drains into the pan.
Oh. But see, I was half right. You just stupid.
You already done my. Just got out of church. It is Sunday. Super Bowl's today. Like, you won't tell me that this is all of his food, and then this is mine, bro.
I thought we was gonna share.
Bro, no, you did, bro. What? So just finished the beating, so I'm heading home right now. But bro, what is this kid doing, bro? 30, good. Damn, bro. Damn.
Look, this is a 35. So imagine with a 40, how much it'll rub.
You need some brake bomber, buddy. Look at that. Damn.
That what is that thing called?
That's brake bomber.
Brake bomber. That copper brake bomber.
Oh my God. Yeah, you spin a lot, bro. Jesus Christ. Mommy, I'm scared. Mommy, I'm scared. Ya estoy cansado, jefe.
Is it louder than before?
Yeah, it is, for sure. It's got a little kick. It ain't even that crazy, bro. Yeah, you spin a lot. Took it sideways.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Never realized how awkward them clips left off. But this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you need. By the way, shout out to bro for commenting. Comment under this video, you get a shout out.